Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of November, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.57. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. This results in an average return of 0.00% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust ascending trend in the short term, indicating that further upward movement is anticipated. The trend observed over the past 3 months implies a potential change of approximately 20.55% in the upcoming 3 months, with an expected return ranging between 5.92% and 26.9%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential decline of 53.82% over the next year, with possible returns between negative 75.48% and negative 51.92%. This translates to a price range of approximately $6.14 to $12.04 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel highlights that the Intel stock price decreased by 4.39% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 11th of November, 2024, the Intel stock price dropped from $26.20 to $25.05. During this trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.86%, ranging from a low of $24.83 to a high of $26.29. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, yet it remains up by 9.29% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is typically a positive indication as volume should align with stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 9 million shares, with a total of 65 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.63 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the stock price is 51.15%, or $26.23, below the 52-week high, and 63.85%, or $44.24, beneath the all-time high recorded on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Intel continues to attract investor attention following a significant surge of 14% in its stock after Donald Trump's re-election. CEO Pat Gelsinger highlighted a positive performance in the third quarter, attributing it to effective company restructuring. This optimistic outlook comes amid increasing federal support for U.S. semiconductor production through the CHIPS Act, indicating potential growth opportunities for Intel. However, the company faces challenges, including losses in market share and a shift in the tech landscape from central processing units to graphics processing units. Notably, Intel's replacement in the Dow Jones Industrial Average by NVIDIA underscores the pressure it faces in maintaining its market position. Analysts are cautious about the implications of these market shifts and the necessity for Intel to adapt swiftly. In the short term, the sentiment surrounding the Trump administration may bolster Intel's stock, but long-term stability relies on its ability to innovate and regain competitive footing. Investors should closely observe how these dynamics unfold, as Intel's future hinges on both external political factors and its internal strategy for recovery and growth. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned a sell grade to Intel Corporation, accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, Wedbush rated Intel Corporation with an equal weight grade and a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Benchmark provided a buy grade to Intel Corporation with a hold action. On the same day, Wolfe Research issued a reduced grade for Intel Corporation, also with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Intel Corporation an underperform grade, paired with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book value as a buy as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Intel stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at $24.51 and $23.16. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 7, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 4.5%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Trading volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 166 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $21.84 and $21.47. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline towards the next support. In this case, Intel has support just below today's level at $21.84. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.47 and $20.10. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.46 between its high and low, which is a movement of 5.86%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.52%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 23rd of January, 2025. Analysts are currently estimating earnings of 12 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $26.20. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $21.84. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of November, 2024, Holthouse Michelle Johnston conducted an insider sale of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the 4th of November, 2024, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider purchase of 11,150 shares of common stock. On the 31st of October, 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider purchase of 6,502 shares of common stock. On the 31st of October, 2024, Zinsner David conducted an insider sale of 3,224 shares of common stock. On the 31st of October, 2024, Zinsner David also conducted an insider sale of 6,502 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 4.813. Overall, insiders purchased 435,787 shares and sold 469,586 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $23.71, reflecting a decrease of 5.36%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price could represent a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Intel stock to perform well in the near term. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current value is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of November, we anticipate Intel to open higher by approximately 33.9 cents and begin trading at $25.39. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.